Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy S for James. I know it's been a minute, it's been a while. I've been doing all these other videos like product reviews and all that stuff. But I'm back. I'm going to be doing the car reviews again. I'm going to be doing DIYs again. You're going to see the S4 wilding out, going fast and whatnot, flying with the damn supercharger and whatnot. We're doing all that. But I'm making this video because the most wildest thing that's happened to me today. And I'm going to show you guys. So let me show you guys right now. So I get a phone call around 12ish today on my lunch break while I'm at work, and my dad calls me and says, "Hey, like something wrong with your window?" And I'm like, "What do you mean something's wrong with my window?" He then proceeds to show me some photos, and I'll show the photos as well while I'm showing you guys this video. But I'll show you the photos he sent me, and I'm like, "Well, that's not good. Where's a bullet at? Like, there's a whole bullet right here." I get home, I have to do like a whole report and everything and whatnot for it. And between me and the police, shout out to the police department. These guys were great help. We're trying to figure some things out. But of course, we didn't catch the culprit. My cameras didn't catch it either. But to me, we figured out and narrowed down to that being a BB gun bullet. Not too much. Doesn't look like it could be a 22. On top of that, the velocity of that going through, it should have hit the other window, but it didn't. So it just stopped right there. So yeah. All right, I had to move real quick. Mosquitoes are actually like disrespectful out here. They will bite you by any means in any way they can. So basically, I get a phone call from my dad. He tells me, "Hey, there's a bullet in like your window, not bullet, but like there's a hole in your window." And I'm like, "What do you mean? What do you mean?" Shows me photos, and I'm like, "Oh, well then." So I went to go check out my cameras, my one camera that's up there, and I went to see if I could figure out who did it, but it says no events or anything like that. So I'm like, I don't know. So had to get a report. Got the report. They over here talking to me like, "What do you think it could be?" I'm thinking it could have been a little 22 round. But then they thought about, hey, that could be a BB gun. And I'm like, what parents let their little ass kids out here and be like, "Oh, I'm just going to tear up somebody else's like property"? That's nuts. You know what? I ain't going to get into that. Not going to get into that about parenting, about kids and anything like that. But that's crazy. Some people are like, "Oh, are you upset? This and that." Yeah, I'm mad. I gotta get another window. I don't want to shell any more cash, but I got to. But it is what it is. It could have been way, 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 way worse. But that's cool. Doesn't mean I'm happy about it. I'm not happy about it at all. Because now I gotta get a back window. So anybody has a back passenger side window, please let me know. Hit me in the comments. Shoot me a message on Instagram. Like you talk to me like what the price is looking like, how I get it shipped and delivered. Just let me know. So yeah. So that's my quick little story time for all that. But on to other wild more news. I have another story for you guys. My S4 is gone. I know I just said I'm going to be doing videos about it, which I am, but there'll be another video coming out involving the car accident that my S4 got in. My whole rear end just got a little banged up, and now it's in the body shop. My car's been in the body shop since June 4th. It is now July 30th, and I'm just waiting for my car to get back so I can start making more content, more Jackal content for you guys. So there's that. So that's going to be a whole nother video doing that. And I'll be doing that video with Jackal Motorsports, doing that with Track Slayers. We'll talk about that. We're going to weigh in about it. The whole process of what's going on, dealing with a certain insurance, like it was diabolical, guys. I will definitely say that. But just know we're back on programming. We're going to do more fun videos. We're going to do more supercharger noises. We're gonna really do a lot of DIYs, adding parts into the S4. We're gonna do a lot. We're gonna do a lot more of those videos. I took a little break doing like the whole product reviews and all that. They're cool. They're fun for what they are. They're short videos, but I really like doing like the full-on videos, going to the car shows and everything like that, talking to people, seeing cool cars, and getting some Mexico runs in, guys. All those good ones. Yeah, even stuff like with me being at the shop, doing some shop work at the shop, because some of you guys ask me where do I work on my car at most of the time. I do work on it at a family shop. On top of that, I do work on it in my yard. So I'm all about doing these the best and expensive way possible. And if you guys are wondering why I'm dancing around in circles, walking around like this, because the New Jersey mosquitoes are the diabolical, the worst. I can't stand them. They'll sit there and just try to bite you. Like I'm over here just like looking over. I got bit already. See, this is crazy. But that's besides the point. That's what this video is about. I wanted to like talk to everybody about this and that, because I know it's been a while. I've been getting DMs like, "Oh, James, where's the next video? Where's the next video?" And I'm like, I'm working on it, which I am, but
2 hours later.
like I had other things that came up instead, and that's a lot of these product reviews I was doing, and they're fun, but like I don't think I'm a product review type of guy. I don't think that's me. I think of the car stuff, the funny faces, talking, actually, having a good time. I think that's more fun, especially half the stuff that I get into, especially in this car community. God damn. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'll see you guys next time on the video. Probably the next video will be the one about my S4 and the whole thing with the car accident and whatnot. We're gonna get some more videos with the S6 as well, the fake S6 and whatnot, so we can get all that going too. Because that car, I actually like it. It's just so much I gotta do, and it's a nightmare working on it because the guy before me just said, you know what, I'm gonna do everything the complete opposite. But we'll get into that in another video. I'll see you guys again.